Good morning. In this video, we will learn about nous, or in English, we. Remember, French verbs change form depending on who's doing the action. With nous, most verbs end in O and S. For example, nous voulons, that means we want, or nous avons, we have. Nous habitons, that means we live. An example sentence is, we are eating. In French, it will be nous mangeons. Some verbs feature some spelling changes. For example, in this table, on the left side is the subject and on the right side is the verb vouloir, that means to want. You will say je veux to express I want, tu veux to express you want, elle veut or il veut to express she wants or he wants, and we will say nous voulons if we want to express we want. Example sentence, I want a taxi. In this illustration, je veux un taxi. That means I want a taxi. Another note, in French, a and le are never used together. Instead, they combine into o. In the example illustration, for example, in this illustration, tu vas au restaurant. That means you are going to the restaurant. Or she is going to the zoo. That would be elle va au zoo.